Good evening, children. I hope everyone are doing fine. So today we will be having a revision on our environment chapter. So today we are going to revise about assertion and reason. Okay. So these type of questions can be asked for 3 marks or 2 marks. Okay. So here you can see a fifth main, that is assertion and reason. So direction. In the following questions, a statement of assertion A is followed by a statement of reason R. Okay, mark the correct choice as. Here they have given option. So where A represent assertion and R represents reason. So both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. So both assertion, that is A, and reason R are true, but reason R is not correct with the explanation of assertion. So assertion A is true but reason R is false. Assertion A is false but reason R is true. So both assertion and reasons are false. So here question number 1, green plants of the ecosystem are transducers. Okay, reason. So producers trap the radiant energy of the sun and change it into chemical energy. So here both assertion, that is A, and the reason R are true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. So whatever the reason we are giving for the assertion, that has to be true. Okay, so next is assertion they have given, like aquariums are known as man-made ecosystem. So reason aquariums are created and maintained by humans. Okay, both assertion A and reason R are correct, and that is true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion what they have given, that is A. So aquariums are known as man-made ecosystem because they are created and maintained by humans. So next assertion, what is that? So flow of energy in a food chain is unidirectional. So reason, what is the reason? So energy captured by autotrophs does not revert back to the solar input and it passes to herbivorous. Okay, both assertion and reason are true and reason R is a correct explanation of assertion A. So the flow of energy through different steps in the food chain is unidirectional. This means that energy captured by autotrophs does not revert back to the solar input and it passes to herbivores. Next assertion, biomagnification is caused due to the accumulation of biodegradable toxicants in the organism at each successive trophic level. Reason, biomagnification leads to maximum accumulation of chemicals in the small fishes. So answer is both assertion and reasons are false, right? So biomagnification is caused due to accumulation of non-biodegradable toxin, right? So toxicants in organism at each successive trophic level, the maximum concentration of these chemicals gets accumulated in human body because they occupy the topmost place in any food chain. Okay, so as we learned example as DDT, okay, diphenyl trichloroethane. Okay, so next question, next assertion is about animals adopt different strategies to survive in hostile environment. So reason, praying mantis is green in color which merges with plant foliage. So here A and R are true. So that is assertion and reason what they have given is true. And reason what they have given is a correct explanation of that assertion. So animals blend with surrounding or background to remain unnoticed for protection and aggression. Next assertion is a network of food chain existing together in an ecosystem is known as a food web. Reason, an animal like kite cannot be a part of food web. So here assertion, that is option C, assertion is true but reason R is false. So in the food web, different food chains are interconnected. Each chain consists of different trophic levels, that is producers, consumers and detrivorous. So kite can also be a part of food web. So next assertion is CFCs deplete the ozone layer. Reason, so CFCs are used as refrigerants, you already studied, and in fire extinguisher. So here both assertion, that is A and R are true and the reason is correct explanation of assertion. ozone layer is getting depleted at higher levels of the atmosphere due to effect of chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, so which are used as refrigerants and in the fire extinguisher. Okay, so next, coming to eighth question, assertion the concentration of harmful chemicals is more in human beings. So reason is man is at the apex of food chain. So both assertion, that is A, and reason are true, and reason are, that is correct explanation of given assertion. Harmful chemicals accumulate progressively at each tropic level. Okay, tropic level 1, 2, 3. Since the man is at the apex of all the food chain, it is the topmost one. So the concentration of harmful chemicals may be more in case of human beings. So the phenomena involved is known as biomagnification. Next assertion is the fires are most destructive as they burnt the tree top. Reason, due to the corn fire, the temperature of that area may rise up to 700 degrees Celsius. 700 degrees Celsius. So here both assertion as well reason are true, and reason is a correct explanation for given assertion. Okay. So what is assertion number 10? That is, tropical rainforests are disappearing fast from developing countries such as India. So no value is attached to these forests because these are poor in biodiversity. So your assertion is true, but reason what they have given is not accurate. It is false. Okay. So tropical rainforests have disappeared mainly due to man's activities, due to overpopulation in countries like India. So rainforests are cut to make place available for man to live and build houses, to build buildings and factories. Factories, man has incessantly cut down trees. Okay, so this has caused the depletion of rainforest. So next assertion is, abiotic component of an ecosystem involves cycling of material and flow of energy. So this is essential to keep biotic factors alive. Okay, so your assertion, that is reason, is true. Okay, whatever the reason they have given is true for the assertion, and even the reason is correct explanation. Okay, so assertion, first tropical level in a food chain is always a green plant. Yes, green plants are called autotrophs. Yeah, it is true, right? So explanation is also true for the given assertion, and that is true. So green plants are producers. The first tropic level in the food chain is a producers. So since it is autotrophic, we consider it as a topmost one, first tropic level. So those organisms which produce food by photosynthesis, we call it as autotrophs. Okay. So next assertion is, man is a herbivore. Not, no, right? So omnivores eat both plant food and meat of the animals. So A is false, but reason is true. Okay, so like this statement you need to create for given assertion. Next assertion is, in an ecosystem the function of producer is to convert organic compounds into inorganic compounds. So reason is that green plants, the producer transduce the solar energy. So both assertion A and well as the reason is true, and it is given a correct explanation for the given assertion. So last one we will study, we will end up with 15th question. So what is that assertion? Tropical levels are formed by plants. So reason is that food chains and webs are formed due to linked organism on the basis of their nutrition. So that is, assertion is false, but the reason is true. So these type of question you can expect for 2 marks, children. So on this 15 question I'll be asking 12 question for the UT tomorrow morning around 11:30. I may ask exam, I may give exam for you, exam in the sense test, unit test 4. Okay, do write it in the sheet and capture it and send it to my personal number. I'll evaluate and I'll give you the marks. See you, children. Have a good day.